Hi, it's Charlie from Yorkshire Pergolas. Happy Halloween, everybody. We're here, as you can see, it's still dark, so we're a bit scared being here in one respect. All joking aside, we just completed this beautiful project. It's one of our Vista style models. It's got a light coloured roof, which is great because you can see how it's reflecting the light down. We've got sliding glass doors, toughened glass doors on all three sides, well, two sides and the front that faces the garden, and then towards the house. We've got an automated zip blind, which you can go up and down with. It's in anthracite grey. It's what size is it? I can't remember. Is it 4 by 3.7? By 4 by 3.7. I should know that. I know. 4 by 3.7. So it's a nice footprint, and we're really pleased with it. Customers absolutely delighted. And obviously, if you want to know any more, just give us an email or something, or a call. That'd be nice. And all the details are on the website. So thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. And happy Halloween, everybody. Thank you.